So, good morning, good morning. This morning, I sat down with a cup of coffee. No music, no distraction, just silence. So, I look around, and honestly, this place small and it's messy. And truth be told, I'm broke. No savings, no backup plan. Just me, my dreams, and this cheap coffee. And for a moment, I thought, what's the point of all this? So is this never going to work? But then I realized something. I've come too far to give up now. So I've already survived the worst days. So this isn't the end. It's just the hard part before it gets good. So because you know what? Every person who made it had a moment just like this morning where everything looked hopeless, where their bank accounts was empty and their dreams felt far. So, but they kept going. They didn't wait for things to be perfect. They built for the they built from the mess. So if you're like me, sitting in a small room, counting coins, questioning everything, let me tell you this: don't give up on what you're doing right now. Your environment doesn't define your future. Your situation is temporary, but your grind is permanent. Struggle? That's part of the story, man. And one day you'll look back at this exact moment and say, that was the day I almost gave up, but didn't. So, again, that was the day I almost gave up, but I didn't. Wipe your tears, finish your coffee, get back to work, because you're not done yet. And this right now might just be your turning point. See you. Peace out.